May ganito pala sa Tarlac, isang cafe na ginawa for neurodivergent child. Yes, this is a safe space for families with kids na may special needs. The CEO of the Kind Cough Cafe, Mrs. Malu Caluza, has a neurodivergent child. One time, nagka-sensory meltdown siya sa restaurant, and instead of being understood, they were asked to leave the mall. That moment changed everything. It made her realize people with special needs or neurodivergent individuals deserves more than tolerance. They deserve acceptance. Kaya she built the Kind Cough Cafe na recently lang nag-open sa San Sebastian, Tarlac City. It's a safe, welcoming space for families, kids, and individuals with special needs. Dito, hindi ma-judge yung anak mo. Just comfort, good food, and understanding. Pagpasok mo nga, meron pang playground for sure. Habang kumakain tayo ng food, malayang nakakapaglaro ang mga anak natin. And speaking of food, syempre on their opening, tinikman natin ang kanilang food. May pang breakfast, pasta, dessert, appetizer, at syempre, coffee drinks. The mission is simple here at the Kind Cup Cafe. Create a space where everyone can relax, connect, and feel seen. And also, nagbibigay din sila ng opportunities for individuals with special needs. On their second floor naman, meron silang malawak na dining space or pwede rin daw co-working space para sa mga individuals na gustong mag-chill while working. Maganda rin ang kanilang CR, para ka lang nagsi-CR sa mall. Malawak at inclusive sa mga may special needs. Kaya if you're in Tarlac, this is one of the Kind Cafe na mapupuntahan ninyo. Visit the Kind Cough Cafe located at Chuchi Avenue, San Sebastian, Tarlac City. Pwede nyo rin silang i-Google Map or Waze. You can also follow their Facebook page for more information.